Well, our garage floor right now is about as clean as it's been since we actually poured the concrete. And that's because we're getting ready to put down an epoxy floor. It has these quartz crystals applied to the top of it. It creates a non-slip surface that's very durable and very easy to clean. And our garage floor guy is Greg Richards. Now, Greg, even on a relatively new floor like this, there's still quite a bit of prep involved, right?
Certainly. Preparation on a job site, specifically with concrete, any type of coating, really that's a key factor in long-term adhesion, durability, etc. In addition to that, as you can see, we've enclosed the garage. We want to kind of control the environment that we work in. By creating what we have here, we are able to heat the surface up, we're able to dehumidify it, as well as the working conditions that we deal with.
What's the first thing you start doing to the floor then?
The important part of what I look at a sheet of concrete for the preparation is to remove the surface and put a special profile into that surface. There's a special machine called the concrete planer that we use, and literally kind of shaves that surface. It puts little teeth, scratches, so to speak, in that surface, as well as removing the top surface.
Just for that adhesion, to give the epoxy
Correct.
Something to grab to.
Yep, and when we can remove that top surface, the product will actually kind of sink down and grab onto, and any detail work, the edge work, is all done by hand grinders, which give me the same ability to kind of give those little scratches, remove the top surface, and really prep that surface properly. You know, at that point then we'll take a resin-based material and repair cracks, we'll repair all the pitting, and really what I want to do is have a surface that's consistent prior to the application of the coating.
Okay, and so once all that stuff's done, is it time to apply the product then?
One last vacuum, get every little speck of dust off of that surface, and you bet, product goes down.
So how does that all work then? Do you spray it down, or?
There's a process by which I mix resin in quantities, and I lay it out of a bucket onto the surface. I spread it with a special type of spreader that works with the thickness that I put it down. I put a really heavy coat of material down and spread it, and with the spreaders, to a consistent rate over that floor.
Okay, and once that epoxy is down, you're then able to introduce the quartz crystals at that point?
That is correct. We've built a machine that will literally take the quartz material and blow it into that surface. That gives us several advantages, both with kind of a little bit of labor savings, because I don't want to walk out there with 50 pounds under my hand and throw it out there. But it really does give me a finer fit and finish with the ability to put that quartz material into that resin with so much control. The consistency, the rate at which it goes down, and where it goes down, I've got complete control on that part of it.
So once you get the quartz particles on there, you have to let the thing set up a while then, right?
That is correct. We let that set up overnight. The resins will harden over about a 6 to 8 hour time period. And tomorrow we'll be able to walk back out onto that floor and apply our top coat.
I have to give you credit. You did a nice detailed job along our whole grate system there in front of the garage door in terms of how you're going to just get that epoxy to fit on the top. So I think that's gonna look pretty nice. You mind if I just take a peek inside here?
Oh, you betcha.